Good evening, everyone. Welcome to our YouTube presentation. I am excited to have you all here today. In this section, we will be discussing restaurant booking and management system, and we will be sharing some valuable insights that I believe you will find useful. Feel free to drop your questions in the comments, and we will be happy to answer them. Let's get started. Our title is Restaurant Booking and Management System. Problem statement. Current challenges in the restaurant management. Inefficient table allocation leading to the suboptimal seating. Long wait times due to the unpredictable food preparation demands. Difficulty in managing the peak hour. Rush and customer expectations. Here the proposed solutions. Implementing AI powered smart seat recommendations. Introduce food pre-booking to streamline the services. Justification why this is enhancement improves customer experience by offering the personalized seating, ensures the customer receives seating arrangements to their preferences, enhancing the overall satisfaction, reduces the wait time through the advanced meal preparation, enables the advanced meal preparation, allowing customers to enjoy their meal faster, enhance the restaurant efficiency and optimizes the kitchen workflow, streamlines kitchen workflow, leading to the smoother operation and better source management, increases the revenue by minimizing the table idle time, minimizes the table idle time, allowing for more efficient turnover and high profitability. Next will be continued by Pragati.
Existing restaurant booking system, manual and basic digital reservation. Many restaurants still rely on phone calls, emails, or simple digital forms for reservation. Basic digital system allow online booking but often lack advanced features like real-time availability updates, waitlist management, or AI-driven optimization. Limited AI-based set optimization and pre-booking options. Most booking system allocate seats based on a simple first come and first served basis. AI-based seat optimization can maximum table turnover, reduce wait times, and improve the overall dining experiences. AI in the hospitality industry, AI-based recommendation in hotels and airlines. Hotels, AI personalizes guests' experiences through room recommendation, customized services, and even smart room controls. Airlines, AI suggests flight based off travel history, offers seats upgrades dynamically, and predicts flight delays. Predictive analysis in food ordering for inventory control. AI predicts demand trends based on customer preferences, weather, and past sales data. Next slide. Seat recommendation factors, customer preferences. Some dinners prefer quieter areas while others may want a spot near the bar or an open terrace. Group size, larger groups need tables that can be combined while couples may prefer intimate seating. Past booking behavior, if a customer frequently books a window seat, the system can prioritize that option. Real-time restaurant occupancy, AI can dynamically assign seats based on real-time data, reducing wait times and maximizing table turnover. Food pre-booking consideration, order timing versus reservation timing. Customers can pre-order meals when booking to minimize wait times. Kitchen preparation time optimization. AI can sequence meal preparation efficiently, ensuring dishes for a table arrive together. Peak versus off-peak hours demand. AI can adjust menu recommendation based on peak hours, promoting faster preparation dishes during busy time.
Data collection, customer data. Collecting and analyzing the customer data allows the restaurant to enhance the customer satisfaction. Reservation history tracks past reservations to identify the peak hours and the customer preferences. Seating preference helps to personalize dining experience by ensuring the customers get their preferred seating arrangements. Feedback analyzes the customer reviews and rating to improve the food qualities and services and the overall experiences. Restaurant data. Operational efficiency is improved by monitoring the real-time data such as real-time table occupancy, kitchen preparation times, and order trends. Real-time data occupancy helps to manage the reservations and walks-in efficiently by tracking the available tables. Kitchen preparation times measures food preparation times to optimize the kitchen workflows and the reduce wait time. Order trends analyzes the popular dishes and the seasonal trends to assist in menu and planning the inventory management. Technology used are POS system integration. The point of scale system records the transactions and integrates with the other system to streamline the orders, payments, and the inventory management. It helps in the tracking sales, generating the reports, and the analyzing the business performance. AI-based data analytics uses the artificial intelligence to process the large amount of data and generates the insights, predicts the customer inference, and optimizes the staffing and improving the marketing strategies. Enhances the decision making through the automata reports and the data-driven recommendations. So algorithm selection. So we have selected the decision tree algorithm for the smart seat recommendation and the food pre-booking. Why we use decision tree? The decision tree is the algorithm and efficiently choice of restaurant management system due to its availability to handle the structured data and the multiple decision factors. Key advantages are handles the multiple decision factors and interrupted decision making and optimize it for the structured data and easily updatable. So how it works, a smart seat recommendation, how it works means, so inputting the data like customer details in group size or seating arrangements or seating preferences or real-time the restaurant data available tables, peak hours, decision tree processing evaluates the options based on the predefined rules. For example, match a large group with an available big table, prioritizing the seat arrangements that minimizes the wait times. Recommendation output suggests the best seating option to optimize the customer experience and restaurant efficiency. So we can book the food in advance so that food pre-booking optimization, input data, customer pre-orders and kitchen workload and the preparation times, decision tree processing, predicts the optimal food and preparation timing based on the expected arrival time and the kitchen availability, reduces the food waits time and ensures the fresh timely meal and delivery. Recommendation output provides an optimized preparation schedule for the kitchen. The next will be continued by Shreyas.
Now we have discussed about the evaluation metrics used in this project. To measure the effectiveness of the decision tree algorithm in optimizing restaurant operation, the following key evaluation matrices are used. First one is seat occupancy rate. It means higher is equal to better utilization. It will measure how the efficiently restaurant seating is utilized. Then second one is wait time reduction. It means shorter is equal to better service. It evaluate how much the system reduces customer and it will wait times. And the third one is customer satisfaction source. It means assesses the customer experience based on feedback and rating, and the measurements are collecting ratings from the customer survey. Next slide. Next, we will discuss about the implementation and the feasibility. First, integration with existing system. To ensure the smooth adoption, the system must be compatible with existing restaurant management tools. The key integration aspects the compatibility with restaurant booking platform and API development for the seamless connectivity. Compatibility with restaurant booking platform means it works with the online reservation system to access the real-time availability. Then the API development for seamless connectivity means it enables the real-time data exchange for accurate recommendation. Next, the technical feasibility. It means it has the two key points: cloud-based AI model development and the real-time updates and the predictive analytics. It means cloud-based AI model development means it ensures the scalability and accessibility from the multiple location, and the real-time update and predictive analytic means continuously analyze the data to provide dynamic recommendation. Next one is business benefits. It has also the two key points: faster service, improved the customer loyalty, and the second one is increased revenue and the reduced food wastage. Faster service and the improved customer loyalty means it reduces the wait time and the enhance the customer experiences and encourage the repeat visit through the personalized recommendation. And the increased revenue and reduced food wastage means it optimizes the seating, ensures maximum table utilization, and the smart food pre-booking helps the kitchen prepare efficiency and minimizing the waste. Next conclusion will be continued by Pragati. Mic on. Man.
Implementing the smart seat recommendation and food pre-booking using a decision tree algorithm significantly enhances the restaurant operations by leveraging the real-time data and predictive analytics. The system reduces the wait times and through optimized the seating arrangements, through improves the table utilization by maxing the occupancy rates, and enhances the customer satisfaction by the personalizing the seating preferences and the minimizing the delays. Streamlines kitchens operations with predictive food preparation scheduling, boosts the revenues and reduces the food wastage, ensuring the better resource management. By integrating with the existing restaurant management system, this AI-driven solution provides a scalable and efficient and data-driven approach to improving the services quality and the operational efficiency. So thank you so much. Drop your doubts or questions in the comments. I had loved to hear from you. Thanks for watching.